We got our hands on the 2019 Ram 1500 in the Laramie Longhorn trim, and here are 5 things you need to know. The Ram is the only truck with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Meant more for extra power than extra efficiency, this system gives the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine an extra 130 pound-feet of torque for short bursts of more power. Even without the eTorque motor, you still get a healthy 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. A massive 12-inch vertically oriented touchscreen runs the excellent Uconnect infotainment system. You can have 2 features on the screen at once, but it's best used with full screen for features like navigation. There are also plenty of driver's aids like blind spot monitoring and full-speed adaptive cruise control. A coil suspension in the front and a 5-link in the rear keep the Ram from being too bouncy, although it still has a bit of a trucky feel. If you really want to dial in your ride, go for the optional 4-corner air suspension. For those who want to be a cowboy, or just look like one, the Laramie Longhorn is full of cowboy touches like barbed wire embossing on the floor mats, tooled leather seats, and even a belt buckle closure on the seat pockets. All that's missing are your hat and boots. Sure, a base Ram 1500 starts in the low 30,000s, but this upper trim Laramie Longhorn will set you back over 50 grand. Our tester here with the driver's aids, the giant screen, and a few other options comes to $66,755. That's 5 super cool things you need to know about the excellent full-size truck.